Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Ninja Express Chop. On the box it says that you're supposed to be able to chop, mince, and puree. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look inside and see what it comes with. First off, it looks like everything is neatly packaged and each piece is contained in clear plastic bags. The first piece I just pulled out looks like the top of the chopper. It also is attached to the power cord. The power cord doesn't seem to be that long, so hopefully you have a power outlet conveniently placed where you will be using this chopper. And then the second piece looks like the container with the blades inside. And I see here on the outside of the container there are some measurement guides as well. Not sure if you can make it out on the video, but on this side of the container it looks like you can measure in mils and liters on top of the cups and ounces guide that the container has on the other side. So in total this container has 16-ounce capacity, which I think is perfect if you're making sauces or salsa or maybe a bowl of soup. And then inside the plastic container we have a 4-blade system. And here we have a lid of some sort with a hole in the middle, and looks like there's also a cover that you can place on it or remove. And we also have a few sheets of paper, so let's take a look at what they are for. Here's a one-page instruction pamphlet that explains the different pieces of the chopper, and it looks like that lid is actually a splash guard that doubles as a storage lid, which explains the little cover you plug in. And then the blade already comes pre-assembled and ready for use. And then on the back of the pamphlet there are also some assembly and handling instructions. There's also a bright yellow sheet with a caution statement and a card with a phone number in case you need help or have any questions. And that's it for this chopper. Seems pretty compact and I can't wait to try it out.